A video now guy, what's the name of guy video now? Or you know say gua. Because you the video now say gua. What's the name of say gua? Eri mare or buy gua the second I talk be. Oba no bo unu nekpo ba o gidi gan. Et me no wa. Or when no more human trafficking. A JJ Barry, led by 24 bits, they are still doing human trafficking. And we have proof for it. And I'm going to be saying it every blessed day. Saga continue. Human trafficking must stop. While I bribe him, I will bribe him, Baba will dismiss his soul. And I'm going to be giving you for the proof. Human trafficking must stop. And those don't address human trafficking. Enough is enough.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, I just the verse for this video away from Victor do just now. I just the verse, like seriously. Like I don't understand. Why would they behave like this now? Why? And just because say we not they see each other, because say we they do presenting things, like I don't understand. Why? Why Frank Victor go do this kind of video? They say make they share the video to Palace. Say Oba say no more trafficking. Then they say 24 bit and JJ Barry they carry women, carry people come they do this waiting. I don't want to measure the name for YouTube. Okay, my people. You say Ogoba does stop Igbiagia. You say 24 bits and JJ Barry they bring people come. Because say Lady of Song Esther Dokbayi talk say 2 of the children now don't carry go that side. He said as in the talk to us now. He said the 2 children now don't go put out for grant for UK there. Then this girl marries. She listen, I know say she did UK since now, don't go back again. He said also go put out for grant. Okay. My people, if you ask me, what will be our business? If they like, they come, they not go back. That is why I come back and make sure that was say, I just say people they go, they not they come back. So 24 bits wife can't talk, say, who have a need a video, if you don't need them like that, we fit still do them like that for now. Like, I don't understand. If they can't come put on for ground, and so, what will be our business? Why would the adults they like to behave like this? Why it be say, if good thing, if those people they do good thing, why don't those presenters they want bring them down? Why? When I me share this video by people, which kind of TV this one? Half of it I will just do video. They say make them share this video. He want expose them. How? Did they bring girls to come and do Igbiagia for you? No. They only bring people through them. They will send invitation. It is easy to get that kind of opportunity. As Lady of Song get that kind of opportunity, then she grab her fast. What it come there where Frank Victor will come they talk say make he want expose them. Maybe we share this video to Palace. If for buy evil hear this kind of thing, if you go evil happy say thank God though. People they evil they come, but they not come do Igbiagia. We not catch them for Igbiagia. Maybe things maybe that they bring girls come make girls come they do Igbiagia. My people, how would I reason this matter? Frank Victor, my brother, you will person when I like, but this one way you can't do this video, so it doesn't really like cut for like serious. It don't make sense. I don't lie you. It don't make sense. Which one be say make they share the video? Saga continue. Doesn't mean say no topic again for social media. Topic full everywhere. What I go talk about? Now only saga. Hey, my people, oh. Not the way Musa no go see for ghetto. Not the way person no go see for this social media. My darling people. No, more than tell me what they wrong here now. What 24 bits and JJ Barry do wrong here now. Una see? Now we even still see people where they want to support the dough industry now. Now our presenters want to use their net they do saga. Una not going to see what want to do saga again now. Now these people know want to do saga now. Now wow, who do people this thing? Who do believe people this thing? No, who do them? Oh God. Who do Benin people this thing? Esther Dokbayi, my sister. It's supposed you know if you not see talk and that they say your two children did that side. Me, we be not even know. And you can't even talk. If your two children can't do that side, they go put one for ground, not be good thing. Europe not better past Nigeria. If me get someone want to bring all my family, come, I go bring all of them come. If JJ Barry or 24 people go everywhere help me, say me go happy. I go pack all of them come here. What did they do for Africa there? What did they do? Lady of some see opportunity, me not carry children come. I don't understand that. Like, am I dreaming? Somebody should wake me up here. Which one from bit of the verse for inside? Say they come put one for ground that be. I don't understand. What he make from bit of the verse? Let me not understand. If lady of song bring his children come stay here, what it concern us? If marriage come say no one go back again, what it concern us? What it concern us inside? I don't understand. Somebody bring a pikin come here, come stay. Na bad thing. As in, I don't get it. I don't understand. What it be the problem for you? I beg. More than not spoil these people name. 24 bits and JJ Body. More than not spoil their name. More than leave these people alone. When you cause quarrel for them, more than leave them alone. As 24 bit now, remember our film industry people now. They when you will be say they use passport and laugh about this social media. You can see later come. Also, so you West will be say me never expect to see come. You know some money going on why don't they ask film? And I first time when they visit UK be this one. Where they visit abroad. What did they do wrong here now, Frank Victor? When you say they share this video. Say saga, what it concern saga for here now? What it concern saga for here, Frank Victor? My people, this matter I just the verse for our Benin presenters them. Some of them, I just the verse. I just the verse for some of them, really. My people, more than let me show this video. I will put the video where Inte talk now. The thing just they provoke me. Bye everybody. Please, more than let me share.
A video now, guy. What's the name of video? A video now, or you know, say gua. Because you the video now say gua. What's the name of say gua? Eri mare or buy gua the second I talk be. Oba no bo unu ne kpo ba o gidi gan. Et me no wa. Or when no more human trafficking. A JJ Barry, by 24 bits, they are still doing human trafficking. And I will have proof for it. And I'm going to be saying it every blessed day. Saga continue. Human trafficking must stop. While I bribe my naked, what I bribe my man, Baba with this man says so. And I'm going to be giving you for the proof. Human trafficking must stop. And those in the don't address why human trafficking. Enough is enough. Obi Esther o Edokbayi Eva or the UK. Obi Esther Eva or the UK. Me and you are the UK. Here you are salary. A Marisi or the UK or you are salary. Human trafficking must stop. Saga continue. Wanna share this video? This video wanna share. Saga continue. Benin actress. Area a drama yang Edo to the word Edonimose for human trafficking. Edonimose for human trafficking. For human trafficking. You know how many for an actress? Where the UK, where don't you pass all for UK? For human trafficking. Yeah, I vient the UK for human trafficking. Human trafficking. Human trafficking. You know, if I bag like we were joke. You know, if I bag if I motien or I like Esther, a doctor brought 2 children to UK. He only bring out one. One girl, one boy. For in Europe toy. He only bring out one. Why damn you? Saga continue. Nobody will tell me to talk. Damn you, yeah do. Yeah, for no do.